Artificial intelligence, AI, can help streamline project management by automating routine tasks, providing real-time insights, and improving decision-making. Here are some ways to use AI for project management. AI can use historical data and machine learning algorithms to predict project outcomes and estimate completion times. Predictive analytics can help project managers identify potential risks, adjust project plans, and allocate resources more efficiently. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP can analyze and interpret unstructured data, such as emails, chat logs, and project reports. NLP can help project managers identify key insights, monitor project progress, and improve communication. Chatbots. AI-powered chatbots can answer common questions, provide updates, and offer guidance to project team members. Chatbots can help save time and improve efficiency by automating routine tasks. Resource optimization. AI can analyze resource utilization and recommend optimal allocation of resources. AI can help identify areas of over or underutilization and suggest adjustments to optimize resource allocation. Risk management. AI can identify potential risks and suggest mitigation strategies. AI can also monitor risk factors in real time and alert project managers to potential issues. In conclusion, AI can help project managers make data-driven decisions, automate routine tasks, and improve project outcomes.